Is Ruthie Rocks, and it is Friday, and we only have a couple more weekends to shop for Christmas. I'm sure you all know that, though. And people are shopping for houses, by the way. Yeah, we sold we're selling 47 houses a day so far this month, excuse me. This year we're selling averaged 104 homes a day. Now, I think that I just have this feeling, based on a few facts, of course, that our sales are going to pick up toward the end of the month. I think buyers are getting off the fence. Now, you may be putting them under contract, and the actual sales, the closings may not show up until, let's say, next month. But I think we're headed in the right direction, everybody. Prices are down, interest rates are under 7. So let's look at what's going on here in our market. We have 126 days of inventory. And of those days of inventory, we have 6,708 single family homes. That's a lot of single family homes, but you know what? 37% of those active single family homes are in the medium price or under. So 435,000 is not a bad median price right now. And 37% of our market is those homes. So I think you're going to see buyers, again, I'm going to keep saying it, come off the fence here. We listed 94 homes yesterday, which is awesome. Again, I talk about the churn. We closed 42, we listed 94, and probably more will close today because it's Friday. Closings tend to end up at the end of the week, at the end of the month. So in this whole month, we have sold 373 homes. Compared to last year, we sold 1,053 in the first 8 days of December. And the price, though, look at the price, 386,000. And last December, we were doing 132 sales a day. So that is, we're doing 85 less than we were last year. And of course, I keep cautioning everybody, keep doing what you're doing. Don't do what doesn't work. Do what does work. Get some listings because the buyers are going to come back. You have to prepare. Change equals chance. So you're going to have chances because we have changes. So don't stop grinding in that wheel. Keep doing what you're doing because you will bear the fruit. Because a lot of people kind of stop. They think, oh, the market's terrible. Well, it might be terrible for a few days, but guess what happens? Then the interest rates go down.